Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to start a live stream on your Telegram channel, step by step. Whether you're hosting an event, connecting with your followers, or just trying something new, Telegram makes it simple to go live in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you're using the most recent version, so you have all the latest features ready to go. Once you're in, head to your channel, the one where you want to go live. Next, tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. This will open the channel's main settings page, where you can manage posts, members, and more. From there, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Give them a tap to open a small menu of additional options. Now in this menu, you'll see something that says, Start Live Stream. This is the key feature we're looking for. Tap on it once, and Telegram will bring up a setup screen. You'll have another button labeled, Start Live Stream. Again, go ahead and tap it a second time to confirm. That's it, you're live. Telegram will connect you instantly, and your channel members can join in to watch and interact as it happens. You can invite other speakers, share your screen, or stream straight from your device's camera and microphone. When you're done, simply tap the end button to finish your broadcast. The stream will stop immediately, and you'll have the option to save or discard the session depending on your preferences. Going live on Telegram is a great way to build a direct, authentic connection with your audience. It's fast, easy to set up, and doesn't require any complicated third-party tools. Just follow these simple steps each time, and you can create real-time moments with your community whenever you want. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials like this one to keep improving your Telegram experience.